Welcome! If you're tired of digging through Google Drive every time you need to access a folder someone shared with you, there's a simple way to keep it just a tap away right on your home screen. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to add shortcuts for shared folders to your home screen using the Google Drive app. First, make sure your Google Drive app is up to date. This ensures you have access to the latest features and the smoothest experience. Once you're set, open the Google Drive app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Tap on the one labeled Shared. This is where you'll find all the files and folders that others have shared with you. Scroll through the list and locate the folder you want quick access to. Once you've found your folder, look for the three dots icon. That's the menu button right next to the folder's name. Tap on these three dots to open up a menu of options. In this menu, you'll see an option called Add to Home Screen. Go ahead and tap on it. A confirmation screen will pop up, showing you what the shortcut will look like on your home screen. To finish, simply confirm your choice. The shortcut will instantly appear on your device's home screen, just like an app icon. Now, whenever you need to open that shared folder, all it takes is a single tap. This method is perfect for anyone who regularly collaborates on shared projects or needs fast access to important folders without the hassle of searching every time. It's quick, efficient, and keeps your workflow moving smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for making the most of Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized home screen.